In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to review a HubSpot forecast on your desktop step by step. If you're managing a sales team, tracking revenue targets, or simply trying to understand how your pipeline is performing, reviewing your forecast inside HubSpot is absolutely essential. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access your forecast, filter it correctly, and interpret the key metrics that matter most. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, open HubSpot in your desktop browser. This works best on a full desktop or laptop screen so you can clearly see all forecast metrics and navigation options. Go to HubSpot.com and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple portals. Once you're inside your HubSpot dashboard, you're ready to navigate to the forecasting tool. Next, go to the Sales menu at the top of the screen. In the main navigation bar, you'll see several options like Marketing, Sales, Service, and more. Click on Sales. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Forecast. This will take you directly to the forecasting dashboard where you can review revenue projections and performance data for your team. Now that you're on the forecast page, the first thing you want to do is select the correct pipeline. In the top left corner of the forecast page, you'll see a drop-down labeled Pipeline. Click on that drop-down. If your company uses multiple pipelines, such as Sales Pipeline, New Business, Renewals, or Enterprise, they will all appear here. Choose the specific pipeline you want to review. Selecting the correct pipeline ensures you're looking at the right set of deals and revenue data. After selecting your pipeline, the next step is to choose the time period you want to analyze. At the top of the forecast page, you'll see time filters. Click on the time period selector and choose the time frame that matches what you want to review. You can select this month if you're tracking current progress, next month if you're planning ahead, this quarter for a broader performance view, or next quarter if you're forecasting future revenue. Choosing the correct time period is crucial because it directly impacts the totals and projections you're seeing. Once your pipeline and time period are selected, you can begin reviewing the forecast summary. This is where the real insights come in. At the top and within the main dashboard area, you'll see several key metrics. Start by looking at the forecast totals. This shows the overall projected revenue based on the deals currently in your pipeline for the selected time period. It gives you a quick snapshot of expected performance. Next, review quota attainment. This metric shows how close your team or individual reps are to hitting their assigned revenue targets. It's usually displayed as a percentage, making it easy to see whether you're on track, ahead, or behind goal. Then look at the submission values. These typically include categories like best case, most likely, and commit. Best case represents optimistic projections if everything closes successfully. Most likely reflects realistic expectations based on deal stages and probability. Commit shows the revenue your team is confident will close within the selected timeframe. Comparing these values help you understand both risk and opportunity in your pipeline. Finally, review goal progress. This area visually shows how far along you are towards your revenue goals. It helps sales managers quickly identify gaps and determine whether additional pipeline generation or deal acceleration is needed. As you review the forecast, you can also scroll through individual reps numbers if your account includes team forecasting. This allows managers to see performance at both the team and individual level, making it easier to coach reps and adjust strategy. And that's it. That's how you review a HubSpot forecast on your desktop, step by step. Open HubSpot, go to Sales, click Forecast, select your pipeline, choose your time period, and carefully review the forecast totals, quota attainment, submission values, and goal progress. If this video helped you understand HubSpot forecasting a little better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.